A very warm, cheerful greetings to my dear students. Today we are going to learn a new topic of writing skills, that is article writing. Yes, how to write an article. What is the difference between a and the article and this article writing? This we studied in this video. So let's watch this video and understand this concept together. What is an article? An article is a written work published in a print electronic medium. It may be for the purpose of propagating news, researching results, academic analysis, or debate. Generally, it is a piece of writing that is published in a newspaper or magazine. So, students, article writing is a written work published in print or electronic medium. Even the purpose of propagating news, researching results, academic analysis, or debate. So, article writing is also called the purpose of propagating the news, academic analysis, and many more works. Now, how to improve your writing skills with the help of article writing that we studied in this video further. First, what we have to be more focused on are that research work. We have to be more focused on research work. Then we have to write the introduction part. Then we have to develop these subheadings in our article writing. Then we have to build the body and the paragraphs. Then we have to make the smooth transitions. Then at the end, we have to write the conclusion. This whole brainstorming process, we have to do it, but not on papers. First, we have to keep all these things in our mind or make the short notes so that when we are drafting our final article, then we couldn't miss any of this step. The steps: choose the topic on which you are confident. Find your objective or goal. Collect data from reliable sources. Draft and edit logically. Revise and publish. Now, let's talk about that what should be there in article. If you're writing the title, if you're thinking about the title, then the title should be catchy, which engage the readers. It should be like very interesting, like people find interest when they read the title. Then we are having the introduction part. Introduce our topic, engage the readers further, usually poses a question to be answered at the end of the article. This is a few tricks just to engage the readers in our article. Then when we have to write the main body, there we have to develop the ideas. Ideas, which ideas? The positive and negative, both aspects. We have to write in both the aspects. At the end, conclusion, give answer to previous question, give your opinion, point of view, and take the sides. So in the conclusion, you have to write your own opinion that you are in the positive manner or negative aspect. Plus, children, your article should be about 100 to 150 words. You can exceed your article up to 250 words, but your minimum word limit is 100. This is one of the example on the screen that how the article writing looks like. First, we have to give the heading. So this is one of a format also, children. Heading or the title, written by whom. Okay. After that, we have to give a spacing of one line. Then we have to start with the introduction paragraph. After the introduction paragraph, again, we have to give a spacing of one line. Then here, the supporting details arranged in a logically manner means the sequence should be maintained. If you are starting from positive aspect, then you should follow the positive aspects and connect your negative aspects with a connector. Linking words should be there to connect your positive aspects or negative aspects, vice versa. Then at the end, you have to give one line spacing again and summing up your article means here you have to write down your own conclusion. What, according to you, what is correct about the topic? I hope that the format and the details of the format is clear to you all. Here we are having one question for you all. You are going to write an article for homework. This is the question, children, on which you have been asked to write an article about a civil for students from another country. You have to include the good points and the bad points both. You have to write 100 to 120 words. So, what do you need to remember before you start your article writing? First, we have to do the research work, children. Then, what we have to do? Let's recapitulate it. After the research work, we have to give the introduction. Then we have to develop the paragraphs for the subheadings. Then we have to build the body paragraphs. Then we have to move forward with smooth transitions. And at the end, we have to write the conclusion. So this is how we have to write an article on the topic given here on the screen about this topic. I hope that the article writing is clear to you all and you all are familiar with the format of it also. Thank you, children, for watching this video. I hope that this video is beneficial for you all.